So first it was former captain Clive Lloyd, and then it's former wicketkeeper batsman Jeffrey Dujon, both expressing the belief that the Barbadian Shai Hope is the best hope to become the captain of the West Indies Test team. So for Lloyd and Dujon, Shai Hope is the captain to help West Indies cope. But the Maverick says, nope. Again, because the West Indies don't have a captaincy problem. We have a cricket problem. Shai Hope is already the ODI and T20 captain. Why would any rational and sensible person take up West Indies Test captaincy upon them head? Shai Hope has not played Test cricket for over 4 years. And now because they found themselves in a captaincy crisis, all of a sudden, they are reaching out to the old stone that the builder refused. Now, under those circumstances, it is quite understandable for Shai Hope to give them a thing named thanks. But no thanks. Please and thanks.